In today's video, I'm actually showing you a new strategy and how you can start to earn interest every single day by doing absolutely nothing. I'm going to show you how to make this 100% passive, and I'm also going to show you how you can actually get started today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the website right here, guys. It is called CoinPod, and I'm going to show you the websites that actually work with this, that are faucets that actually can earn you some cryptocurrency by doing a simple task. But I'm also going to show you how you can actually make this passive, and on top of that, I'm also going to show you how you can actually earn interest on these tokens, something that I have not figured out until now. And I'm going to start to do this, guys. Do not use the multiplayer anymore, because I'm going to show you a different strategy and how you can earn passive income just like this, guys. So keep watching this video. So the whole strategy is actually earning free crypto from these faucets, and these faucets are going to be down in the description of this video, and let me show you one of those right now. So you can see this website right here. It's going to be the Moon Bitcoins, Moon Dogecoins, Moon Bitcoin Cash, and Moon all of those. And I'm going to be leaving all of the links down below that work with CoinPod. So all you have to do is just sign in with your email address that you have used to sign up with CoinPod. And that is that simple. You don't need no Bitcoin address or any of that information. So let's click on claim now so I can show you how this is working and how much money I'm actually making from this through the loyalty bonus. Now what that means is that every time I come back inside of this website and claim this for free, it's going to actually give me an extra % every single day. So I've been running this for about 32 days, and you can see that right there because I have a 32% loyalty bonus, and it says every time I come back in I get an extra % added to whatever I actually am able to claim for that moment. So if I wait another 5 minutes, so it says wait at least 5 minutes between claims, then I'm going to get whatever that number is right here times 35%. So that is a really interesting way to earn with this website. I can claim up to 300% of whatever I get right here, guys. So that is really awesome, and you can use this to your advantage by doing the loyalty bonus, referring people, and on top of that getting a mystery bonus. So this is really interesting, and you can see that information right here. You will earn a % bonus which builds up every consecutive day that you make at least one faucet claim. This bonus increases by 1% per day up to a maximum of 100%. So you can see that right there, guys. And I've been doing this for about a month, but more than that, I've been making this run passively using one simple software that I talked about previously on this video, and I'm going to leave the link to that video down below. And the software is this right here, Faucet Collector. Now you can see all of the websites that I'm using with this to actually run passively for me, and I'm just going to start to claim my free crypto onto CoinPod, and I'm going to show you the reason why right now and this new strategy to start to earn passive income with CoinPod on top of earning passive income with the software if you guys want to. Now the passive way to earn with CoinPod tokens is coming over here to the VIP rewards. I've recently just started to read inside of that tab and know more about what this is. Now if you come down here and you see rewards levels, now the standard, you're going to get 0.02% daily interest paid on the token balance, anything less than 100,000 tokens. Now if you use the little paid strategy with this software, it's going to start to do all of this passively, and all you have to do is just come inside of your dashboard and then start to just exchange all of these coins into the CoinPod tokens. So let's do that right now. Convert Bitcoin Core into CoinPod tokens, and all you have to do is just click on maximum so you can send over the maximum, and I'm going to get around 6,000 for that right there, guys. So let's just delete one number real quick so it can turn green. Convert that and change this out real quick and then cancel that. So we have to do this one more time so it can actually work and go through. So convert, confirm conversion, and it has converted over to the CoinPod tokens now. So you just seen us grow just a tiny bit more, and we can keep doing this all for all of these coins. So as you can see right here, guys, I have around 46,000 tokens right now. Now I would have had way more, but I was using this again with the multiplier and trying to, get some more, but I'll always lose. So I would say that that is not a good thing to do anymore, guys. So stop wasting your tokens like I have and just start to save now. So I exchanged all of these tokens or these cryptos for these CoinPod tokens, and I'm going to start to save up till I get 100,000 tokens, which is not that hard if you just stick to this method with the software, because you don't have to do anything but just let this run 24 hours a day. And if you want to know how to set it up, again, the link's going to be down below, and the link is going to be right here at the top right hand corner. So now if we come over here, you can see all of this information. So we're going to start off with these standards. We're going to be earning 0.02% daily interest on the tokens, which is equivalent to 7.57 annual percent every year, guys. So look at this right here. Look at this Express Crypto. This is another website where I used to earn some passive income with TRX, and you can see all of those transactions down here below, and I was only earning 7% every year. So this is 7.5% every year with anything less than 100 tokens. So if we go over here to the bronze, look at this balance of 100,000 tokens or more. So even if you have 100,001 token, you're gonna start to earn 0.04%, which is equivalent to 15% a year in interest, guys. Now if we come over here and so on and so forth, you can see how the system is starting to work. So just keep on saving your CoinPot tokens, either doing the free method, so going back into Moon Bitcoin and Moon Doge, Moon Bitcoin Cash, and Moon all of these, and started to claim manually, so you have to go in every day and do it in order to grow your loyalty bonus. Or you can use this software, again the link's going to be down below and up here in the top right hand corner, and learn how to use that software, set this up, and then let it run passively, guys. So that is just something I wanted to show you, how you can start to earn passive income using a website that has been around for quite some time. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.